Oh no!
Why?
Where'd they go?
Why? Shoot!
Don't shoot.
The squirrels. Squirrels everywhere.
They copy me.
They are. There's another one there.
What happened? They're copying me.
Who is that ticking and tacking? Who is that ticking and tacking?
Tipping and tapping.
Is it tipping and tapping?
No,
Ticking and...
trip trap.
Oh yeah, tripping and chapping. Trip trap, bang bang bang. Alright, well, it sounds good either way. Oh no, the slide is wet.
Okay, if the slide is wet, everything else is wet.
Now we're gonna go to the swing. No, I think the swing is not as wet. The big people's swing is. Yeah, it is wet.
Yeah.
Oh no, everything is wet so far.
Kalleigha's sleeping. She's been awake since 6 this morning. So we're going for a walk because we have nothing to do at home. And she's sleeping right now. And those two are playing over there, even if it's wet.
Everything is wet now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this slide is wet. This slide is wet. Even that chair is wet. Oh no. Okay, let's go for a walk instead, okay? Oh no, it's up now.
No, it's okay to stay up there. Don't worry.
See, there's the squirrel. Say hi.
Daddy, carry me so I can touch that.
You can't. Even if I carry you, it's just gonna keep on going up and up.
Good morning.
Why are you angry? Why are you saying good morning angrily? Huh?
Today we're going to carry baby. So,
Good morning! We haven't done anything for the day yet. Just chilling. Actually, we did. We went to Metro to buy some groceries. And that's pretty much it. Hi, Kalleigha. Hi, Kalleigha. No. What the heck are you doing? What is that? Where did you get that from?
That's for the cord, the cable.
Oh. Kalleigha. Kalleigha. Oh, po.
A slide.
Ba. Oh. You like to talk to mommy like that?
I'm a big
Huh. Yeah. Oh.
girl.
Hi. She loves playing with that thing.
It's inside the gun.
careful.
You see over there? That's a building. It is a building.
Let's save Kalleigha.
Kalleigha. What else? Look at what she's doing. She just climbed up at my back.
Good morning. Good morning, Gay Bear.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kaylee. She's just playing here by herself while we wait for Daddy to wake up. Right? Good job. Look at her face. I'm not sure if the camera could pick it up, but she has lots of rashes on the sides of her cheeks again. And I think it's itchy because she keeps on scratching her ears. And she keeps on scratching her face itself. Like, just look at that. She has a scratch on her face again.
Ears.
Yeah, when it's itchy, I think she's trying to scratch her face because it's itchy. And she ends up pulling her ears.
I'm itchy everywhere.
Because you're dry. Your body is dry because it's winter. That's why you have to put lotion on.
Yeah, it's not for my cheeks.
No. Don't like mommy. You're silly. Hi, I'm talking to baby sister. You have to take a video of baby sister. Yeah, mommy's talking to baby sister. Who's the happy baby? Who's the happy baby? No. Man. She was just laughing a while ago.
Here's the happy baby.
There's the happy baby.
This one. The happy baby.
Owie.
That's me.
Hey. Who's the happy baby? No. Aww. Kaylee. She was laughing a while ago. When she saw the camera, she stopped.
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Again. 1, 2, 3. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
We sitting down to each other.
Ooh, baby sister is sitting on you.
Yeah. She's making me fall.
Oh, don't fall down. Don't fall down.
We're just staying home today. Yesterday we went out to my mom's house and we forgot the camera, so no vlog. And right now Kalleigha is just watching vlogs on YouTube. And Kaylee is playing over here.
And Daddy's going to do the laundry.
That's right. Are you happy you see yourself? You can see yourself? Where's Kaylee Gale? Oh, sorry.
Daddy,
Oh, right there. Where's Kaylee Gale?
the biscuit Daddy's going to the...
Squirmy baby girl.
Mommy?
What was that?
Hey, stop.
What was that, Kaylee Gale?
Excuse me, Mommy. I need to sit there. Please, Mom.
Okay.
Which on one hand could be a good thing because typically their calls to home are like very, very short.
What was that, Kaylee Gale?
Mommy, no, you can sit here.
Okay. Look, she's touching you. Aww. They love each other right now, but usually they're like jealous of each other.
Oh, she's rubbing my finger.
She is.
Cutie pie. Oh, don't put that hand in her mouth.
Miguel, don't put the hand in your mouth. Aw, he got busted, huh? Uh-oh, she wants to eat her ice cream again.
Uh-oh. No, Kelly, no, Kelly, no, Kelly. One.
Yay, she got it. Uh-oh. She got it. She's happy.
She's happy.
Kalleigha. Don't eat it.
Don't eat.
Kalleigha.
I really don't want to eat it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Silly. She's funny, right?
Yes, you are funny, aren't you?
So good.
Uh-huh.
I really love you. 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 She's mine.
She is.
That's why.
She likes your song.
I really love you. I really love you.
Kaylee Boo Boo. I really love you. Kaylee Loo Boo. Daddy's here.
I really love you. I really love you. I really love you.
Woohoo!
Daddy.
That was quite a performance, Kalleigha. Oh, and she laughed. What is that? Her snack.
She put me
Owie.
in jail and I surprised her with the snack.
Are you happy?
Go back to jail. Okay, and then go back to jail.
Oh my god.
Open this first and then go back to jail.
You have bubbles again.
Okay, I'm going downstairs.
No.
Downstairs because I have competition.
Okay, come.
And I have this urge to win. So I'm gonna
Competition with what?
destroy the competition.
Competition with what?
Because they might take my dryer and my machine, my laundry machine. So I have to go face the enemies and go for the gold.
What are you wearing, Kalleigha?
Nothing.
Let me see. Let me see.
Daddy, friend to me.
Daddy prank you? How?
That's friend to me.
Okay.
Good night. Now.
Okay, again. Good night.
Good night.